Hey guys, back at you today with another hair video. As you can see, my green and blue split that I had is basically all faded out. I mean, there is still a bit of a tint of green and blue, but the most of it is faded out. So today I'm so excited. I've been waiting for the rest of my Arctic Fox colors to come. I'll just like spin you and show you those right there. I'm going to be using like every single one of those. Every one. So I've been wanting to have like my black back, but I still want some crazy. So I'm going to do a rainbow on this side and black on this side, and we're going to see how it turns out. So with these little clips, I just went through and sectioned off small little sections going straight up and down all the way to the half side of my head, and then this side is just thrown into a bun. I have all my colors mixed up here beside me, as well as a towel on my lap to wipe my hands off in between each color, so I try not to get them all mixed up. I am going to try to resemble the rainbow as closely as possible, following the Roy G. Biv. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue. I don't have indigo, so I'm just using purple, violet. I'm skipping the indigo. So I just about have the whole rainbow. We're gonna start with red in the front, working our way through the colors around to the back, and then this side will all be black. You can hear my kids yelling. They're all playing hide and go seek outside with some neighbor kids. And I can hear them yelling that she gives up. She doesn't want to find them anymore. So very carefully, I'm just going to paint these little strips, all their individual colors. I will speed through this and throw some music on, so yeah, just enjoy the show. Alright guys, I apologize. I think my camera like shut off. I'm not sure where it shut off. Let me spin you. I just finished rotating the colors, and now we are done with this half. Now I'm going to move into this half, and this is just all going black. And every single color that I'm using is from Arctic Fox. They are all the ones that I showed you at the beginning there. I've been wanting to try this Arctic Fox Transylvania Black for so long, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna fade and everything like that. If you guys are interested in seeing like the fading process of any of my colors, be sure to follow me on Instagram at minsbeauty86, because I do take a lot more photos and keep you guys up to date with what's going on with my colors and stuff, a lot more on there than I do on here. Here you basically see me in my videos when I'm, you know, ready to change it up again. Alright guys, so the color is all on. Let me spin you around so you can see it all. I got the black in, all of my array of colors. And we're gonna let this sit for, I don't know, 40-45 minutes like usual. I will go shower it all out very carefully. I'm going to have to rinse all of this black out first with like the handheld thing in the shower, and then rinse this out because I don't want the black bleeding into the color, and that's how I'm gonna have to shower from now on. Anyways, I'll be back in about 45 minutes. Alright guys, we are back with the final look. I know I usually wash it out and show you it wet first, but after I showered it all out, I kind of had dinner with my family and then it was already dry, so I figured I'd style it up and then come back and show you. I am loving this. Oh my goodness. Okay. First, let's show you the rainbow side here. You can see all the colors in there. They are bright, they're vibrant. I absolutely love them. And the way it looks going over into the black, let me show you the black side. I'll spin you around and show you the back of it. Seriously guys, I'm loving this look so much, and I always I'll show you when it's parted down the middle. I don't know if that's all the way down the middle here. Alright, so now it's like somewhat parted down the middle and you get the full split rainbow and black. You guys know me, I'm not a middle part kind of person, so I flip it over to the side like so. I even like how the black looks going over into the rainbow. Guys, I'm totally obsessed. I was missing having dark hair. It's been so long, but I wasn't ready to give up all of my colors. So this is the perfect thing to have best of both worlds. Yes. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, you gotta hit the bell. I really hope you guys like this. I love it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this hairstyle. And yeah, also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at minsbeauty86, and you can see photos of how all of my hair colors fade out over time and just different photos of different things. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.